Hi friends, have you been in a situation where you were surrounded by so many people and yet did not know what to do and finally decided to do what exactly others were doing? If your answer is yes, please listen to this talk. A leading multinational company was having its annual day celebration. As it was on a Saturday, the entire staff attended and enjoyed the day's program. In the evening, there was dinner and as the announcement of dinner is made, everyone went to the dining area. As they walked into the dining hall, the first table had a basket of beautiful and delicious oranges. Everyone looked at it and moved on to the other table where all the other food items were kept. They picked up the items of their choice and began to eat. As everyone began eating happily chit-chatting, an old employee walked into the hall. He was a bit nervous at seeing his superior, including the CEO of the company, in the dining hall. He slowly moved to the first table, picked up an orange. Just when he began to bite the orange, he heard a loud laughter and noticed that everyone else was looking at him and making fun of him. Suddenly, a young man approached him and led him to the table where the rest of the food items were kept. The old man could not eat anymore in embarrassment, just picked a drink and thanked the young colleague and went away silently. The CEO was observing everything and later in the evening, before winding up the program, invited all staff to come for dinner the next day also, as he has to make an important announcement. The following evening, all the staff and CEO arrived. Without much delay, the CEO led everyone to the dining hall. The whole arrangement was similar to the previous day, and the first table had a bucket of oranges. Surprisingly, the CEO took one of the oranges and began to chew it. On seeing this, all other employees began to pick up the orange and began to chew it. This time, no one was laughing. The CEO looked around and found everyone having the orange except the young employee who helped the old man previously. The CEO called him to come to the center of the hall. Putting on his shoulder, the CEO asked his name and other details, his role in the organization, etc. Everyone else in the hall was watching the CEO and expected him to get angry to the young man. Instead, the CEO began to talk in pleasant voice. Holding the young man closer, the CEO announced that the purpose of having the dinner today is to select a suitable assistant for him. And the selection was pretty much easy as there was only this young man who did not follow him blindly but at the same time showed concern and companionship to others. So friends, don't follow the crowd. Simply, you might be courageous enough to stand alone if you need to get rewarded. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe it.